Belzona 1151 is a solvent-free material specifically formulated to easily fill in areas of metal loss up to 6 mm deep, quickly restoring large areas and avoiding hot work and plate welding. It does not corrode and will resist a wide range of chemicals. One of the key factors of a Belzona application is a thorough mix of the two-component composites. In this video, we will demonstrate how to mix Belzona 1151 by volume. For the mixing, you will need two components, base and solidifier of Belzona 1151, and a Belzona spatula. Each Belzona product comes with the manufacturer's instructions for use. First, open the container with Belzona 1151 base and set the cover aside. Then, remove the cap from Belzona 1151 solidifier and shake well, holding down the protective cover. Pour the entire contents of the solidifier into the base container and begin mixing using a spatula. Scrape off the sides of the container and keep mixing thoroughly until a homogeneous consistency is achieved. Once the material is mixed, it is ready for the planned application on hulls, plate bonds, couplings, pipes, and pipework. For more information about Belzona 1151 product, visit www.belzona.com.